So as you can see right behind me, we're at Lookout Mountain right now, one of Phoenix's many great mountains. And today we are going to tell you all about the geology of this mountain. So here we are at one of the most northern peaks in Arizona, Lookout Mountain. Lookout Mountain was created 17 million years ago and was part of the Proterozoic era. So, as I said before, the tops of these mountains are made of basalt, and as you can see where we're standing right now, it's probably one of these places where it's very resistant, and most of the mountain has weathered around it. And then, as well as that, we're also one of the higher peaks. Alright, so the first thing we're going to talk about today about Lookout Mountain is the types of rock that are located on it and what it's made of. Lookout Mountain, and all the other Phoenix mountains for that, were created about 17 million years ago, and before that they were all ocean. And during that transition to continental, left some rocks. Lookout Mountain is mostly composed of basalt, conglomerate, and tertiary sedimentary rock. And the tops of the peaks of the mountain, that's why they're all flat, because it's made of basalt. And basalt is very resistant to the weathering and erosion up here. And that's why the rest of the mountain erodes around it. Alright, so what I have right here is a conglomerate rock, one of the many types on Lookout Mountain, composed of many different rocks. There's a lot around here in this area, and it's just one of the very many that you can find. In the beginning. Behind me is what I believe is another basalt, one of the basalt caps, very resistant to erosion and weathering. So on this mountain you'll find a great example of superposition, the bottom layer being the very oldest layer, and as it works its way to the top you get much younger layers of rock.
The mountain has a great stable working community around it, and you can also witness geologic processes seen over the past billions of years. It also has very interesting rocks.